Here's a look at Steel Dynamics really ramping up today, Chris.
Wow.
STLD.
Yeah, I had not been looking at that one recently. That's amazing. We had Carpenter on the list, and that wasn't acting too well, and so this, yeah, I missed this one, but that's very impressive.
And remind me the Carpenter ticker.
CRS.
Okay, CRS. That's what I thought. Okay, so yeah, that's a struggle there for the breakout, but yeah. So you think STLD too extended now? Maybe traders who had alerts set around that 120 area, that was the time to get in, but now it's getting stretched up 7%.
Sure. And actually, yesterday it was breaking a little downtrend in the handle, so that would have been the early buy point.
Definitely. New core as well. We'll go there. Similar.
Pretty good. I just wanted to, sorry to
action.
interrupt.
Oh,
Pretty good
please.
preliminary guidance this morning from Steel Dynamics. I didn't
That
get
always
that
helps.
in the headlines, but that's why the stock is moving. Didn't pre-announce, but just gave pretty good guidance for Q4.
Great. Some great context there. Ken, let's have you take a look at a new core also in the group.
Well, the 172.81 pivot looks completely actionable. So I would say that you've got a buy signal here today in Nucor. STLD looks a little stretched, but based on 172.81, it doesn't look like you're buying an extended stock. Yeah, you can see Steel Dynamics was so strong it flew past that 5% buy zone, but NUE making an equally impressive move today. So I would say NUE is still actionable here.
So are these rotational plays worth going after, or are they not the leaders of this market right now? How do you balance that, where the money is flowing and needing to adjust your portfolio, or stick with the ones you have?
I think that the steel producers is just another example of broadening leadership. And I'm trying to think of the materials ETF XL.
XLB.
XLB. Thank you, Justin. Has been a really nice performer here, and this one is still in a buy zone. So, kind of makes sense, if this soft landing scenario is going to take shape, and we're going to get growth next year, just not it's going to be slowing growth, but not a recession. It makes sense to see some of these steel stocks and material stocks outperform. So I think it's just another example of how leadership is really broadening out here, and I think it's another reason to feel pretty bullish, frankly.